afternoon!
Hi, good afternoon.
We have freshly baked cookies po, brownies and croissants. Best sellers po namin for cookies are chocolate, walnut, and triple chocolate. They're both in the middle. And then for croissants, they're ham and cheese and pan chocolate.
Some chocolate chip cookie.
Okay. Anything else pa po,
And
ma'am?
then, isang cookie butter bun.
Okay.
And then, isang pana chocolate.
Okay. For your pan chocolate, would you like me to
Yeah.
heat it up po? Okay, give me 2 minutes now for that. Anything else for you?
Wala. Yun lang.
Okay, sir. Let me repeat your order po. That's 1 chocolate chip cookie, 1 cookie butter blondie, and 1 pana chocolate. Total po natin is 555 pesos. We can do cash card or GCash. Let me just pack everything for you.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Here you go. You're getting 3 items. A total is 555 pesos. I receive 1,000.
Actually, it was my first time here and also matatry ko na siya.
Thank
Finally.
you so much. So, saan niyo po na-discover yung store?
Sa TikTok. Lagi kasi siya dumadaan sa FYP ko.
Ako din ko din siya na-discover.